Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make peeled plant tomatoes. All the ingredients of this recipe I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. Ingredients: San Marzano tomato, pickling jar. Method: make cross-shaped incisions. Boil water. Place tomato and leave it for 2 minutes. Remove tomato and keep the water. Peel. And reserve. Boil the pickling jar and the lid for 15 minutes. Do not dry the jar and even the lid to prevent cross-contamination. Place with a fork. Add the cooking water. And screw the lid on. Cook for 30 minutes. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!